Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Joey here again, and as you guys can see, I have my little guest. She's not gonna be here for the whole video. She's just here because she is a little cranky because she just woke up. So I had to record this intro now because then I wasn't gonna be able to do it at all today because I have a very busy day from after I record this video and on. I have a busy day, so yeah, she is here with me for this intro. But today we're gonna be doing a video on a curly hair routine, but I'm gonna be using products basically that one of my followers has sent me. I will be putting all her information below where you guys can check out her products, but I would definitely love to thank her before I get this started. So thank you, Tasha, for sending me these products. So these products are for curly hair and they're basically used for co-washing. So I did get, it's pretty much a system. So you get a detoxifying kind of spray, a conditioner, and a gel. So I'm gonna be telling you guys how I feel about these products, and of course this right here, this is pretty much after I use the products, obviously, but I'm gonna be telling you guys how I felt about the products, how to use the products, and all of that. So make sure you guys stay tuned if you guys are interested, and if you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and if you haven't done so, make sure you guys subscribe before we get started on this video. gonna go ahead and I'm going to leave this on for 30 minutes. Pretty much I have to leave it on for 30 minutes. Let me just put a little bit up here. I'm always missing like spots. This is why I don't really like to divide my hair. But being that this is the first time, you know, me using these products and stuff, I wanted to really evenly get this distributed all over. So far I'm really loving about this conditioner. Like, one thing I will tell you, like I said, the spray is actually going to smell a lot like vinegar. So if you do not like the smell of vinegar like myself, you know, as long as it works for my skin or my hair, I don't really mind the smell. I can stand the smell because I'm going to wash it out anyways. But I will tell you, it is pretty overpowering because of the smell of the vinegar. But this right here, the actual hair mask, I'm loving how, well, the conditioner, I'm loving how it smells more minty, and it feels really nice on my head. Like, it just feels really fresh and nice on my head. So I can't wait to see. So we're gonna leave this on for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back with my hair washed. I'm gonna jump in the shower and I'm gonna wash it out, and then we're gonna go ahead and put on the gel. I am gonna put some cream on, some curling cream, and that's just, you know, a preference of mine. I always do that because my hair gets super dry. And then I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with the hair gel that it comes with. But so far I'm pretty impressed. One thing that I will say that I'm pretty impressed with is the I'm pretty impressed with how the spray actually kind of took a little bit away from the dandruff. So I still had a little bit of dandruff right here, and I know it looked very disgusting, guys, but lately I've been putting my hair in buns and ponytails, and then the last few days, like when it gets like very dandruffy, I don't even know if that's a word. I don't think it's a word. I'll just put my wig cap on and slap a wig on if I have to go outside, because I haven't had time to wash my hair. So today was actually the perfect day because tomorrow is Easter, and I don't want to wear a wig for Easter. I want to wear my hair curly. So I know that day 2 hair is like the best. So I decided to actually experiment with the products today. One thing that I will tell you guys also about these products is that because these products are self-made and they are, you know, they don't have all these chemicals and stuff in it, please do keep in mind that they do have a lifespan. The person that did send it to me, which I will be putting her Instagram below and stuff, she did tell me that it does have a 2-week span if you put it in the fridge. Might last longer, I'm not really sure, but I just got these products, so I wanted to make the best out of them. What I love about the system is that if you're like myself, where you do not wash your hair every week, you co-wash every week, you do not wash it every week, this is a perfect system because you're not using shampoo. This is a no shampoo system. So pretty much what's doing the job is the conditioner and the stuff that's in the spray. So we're gonna see if it actually washes out the dandruff. I mean, we're gonna see, and I'm gonna let you guys know when I come back. So I'm back to tell you guys how I feel about these products, and this is pretty much the end results. So what I do is I go ahead and I wash my hair and I apply the products, and then I just let it sit. I don't really put a blow dryer to my hair or anything to dry the hair. I just let it air dry, and this is pretty much what happens to my hair when I let it air dry and stuff. But let me tell you guys my experience when washing the products out, because honestly, like, that's the most important part of everything. So basically, like, when I was washing my hair, the dandruff did kind of come out, but I still did have some dandruff in my hair. So I had to kind of go ahead and just put a little bit of shampoo into the front of my hair and just wash that part out. But it pretty much stripped out the it stripped out the residue that I had on my hair from the gel. Now, one thing I will tell you guys with this that I did incorrect, because I totally like didn't read the label, is that it does tell you when you do use the conditioner, you do want your hair to be wet already. Now, that's cool and all, but the reason why I didn't wet my hair was because the whole purpose of the spray was so that the spray can wet the hair, because you're not supposed to actually put the spray on wet hair, you're supposed to put it on dry hair. So the spray is supposed to act just as if it's detoxing your hair. So just think of it as, there's this new method where, if you guys have used the Aztec face mask, which is a powder, you mix it with apple cider vinegar and you put it in your hair. It acts as a mask. You're putting it on dry hair, you're not really putting it on wet hair. So it's just a mask to kind of detoxify your pores and stuff. One thing, of course, like I said, when you are using the spray, it is going to have a very strong smell of vinegar. So just keep that in mind, you know. Just think of it as you putting apple cider vinegar with something else in your hair. It is going to have that smell. The mask, I had made a mistake. I thought it actually had mint in it, but it only has bananas and avocados in it, which I thought was really, really nice. I've never used an avocado mask. When you do receive the mask, you do want to kind of stir it and stuff, just so that, you know, everything is well stirred and you put it on. Because again, these are products that she made herself. So I do want to thank Tasha for sending me this, because I actually feel like it did work. Now, when it came to the gel is what really blew my mind. So of course, I did put my cream on, my Jane Carter cream, and that's just because that's just a habit that I have. I always put that cream in my hair. The cream does not make my hair hard, or it doesn't hold my hair. It just basically defines my curls, but it doesn't really hold my curls or give it a lot of shine. So that's why I always incorporate a gel into my routine. Most of the time I use the Miel gel, but this time I wanted to use, of course, the gel that she sent me, because I wanted to try it. And I was pleasantly surprised, because my hair has so much hold right now. I barely see any frizz. Like, I'm only seeing frizz up here, but I barely see any frizz. In person, it looks even shinier. So I'm gonna give you guys a 360 of what my hair looks like. So this is, you know, of course, the front of my hair. This is the side of my hair. This is the back of my hair. This is the other side, and the front again. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm very, very pleasantly surprised with her products. You know, of course, these are things that she's doing herself. She's just getting her brand started, and I totally respect that, because, you know, we all have to start somewhere and stuff, but I wanted to put it out there for you guys. So if you're looking for something like super natural, make sure that you guys check out her website. I will be putting the link below where you guys can get these products. But I honestly, I'm very, very impressed. Although the lifespan on these products is not a long time, I feel like my curls look just as good. They look just as good as when I use my regular products. On top of that, one thing that you guys do have to remember as well is that these products are for cold washing. So I would not use this again if I have too much dandruff in my hair, because if I have that amount of dandruff how I had it, I would probably need a little bit more of a deeper clean on the front end of the front of my hair. But it wasn't that serious, because the rest of my hair was not that dirty. I just washed my hair like I want to say almost a week ago, so it wasn't that dirty. It was just due for a cold wash, which these products would be perfect for that. I just had to go ahead and just shampoo right here, because it was really like the residue of the gel was really stuck to my hair. Let me actually show you guys what it looks like now that I'm done. And I did show you guys what it looked like after I washed it. There was just a tiny bit of dandruff left, but this is pretty much the end results. I'm pretty, like I said, I'm pretty impressed with the results of them. I would again love to thank her for giving me the opportunity to try her products, and you know, hopefully when she makes it and her products are out there in the market, you know, I could be like, you know what, I tried her products the first time when she first started her brand. So, you know, make sure that you guys check her stuff out. On top of that, I'm all about supporting different businesses this year, like especially people who are starting their own businesses, Black owned businesses, Latino owned businesses. Like, I'm really all about just supporting people who are really trying to get their businesses up there and launching. So if you guys are watching my video and you guys have any products that you want out there, put out there, you guys want influencers trying out your products just to see, just let me know. I have all my info in the description box where you guys can contact me, and I'll be more than happy to try your products out. Just let me know, we can work something out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys can always hit me up on Instagram if you guys have any questions. You guys can also comment below. Let me know what you guys think and all of that. Also, make sure you guys do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And if you're new to my channel, welcome again. I will see you guys soon. Bye.